afraid my best years have passed. They say the good old days, well, they never last. I've been running into you in my head, in between what could have been. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Everybody seems to leave bittersweet memories. Time does seem to fly, then it's hard to find, yeah. Used to dine and dash, run and laugh, skinny dip off a ship, oh, oh. Not a worry for a million miles, driving off, be right.
Mga kalingap, nandito tayo sa Kamambugan Post Office, Daet, Camarines Norte. Ayan. Post Office ng Daet. At mayroon tayong kukunin dito mga kalingap sa loob, no? Kita na lang tayo mamaya doon, mamaya pag maklim, bawal yata mag-video doon mga kalingap. Ayan mga kalingap, nandito na, oh. Ay grabe, oh. Wow. Tingnan natin yan doon mamaya kung kanin ano to, kay Ma'am Lerma Tanaka. Thank you so much, no? Grabe, galing doon. Buksan natin yan doon sa bahay. Dito natin sa bahay. Buksan natin para try natin kung ano ba talaga ito. Grabe. Thank you so much kay Ate Lerma Tanaka. Grabe, thank you so much, no? Ay nako, GP Alibi Vlog number. Buksan natin. Yun mga kalingap, at first time natin na unboxing sa kanila. Ay grabe, dinaras ko yata ito ni Ate Lerma. Thank you Ate Lerma at ano, biyaya na binigay. Grabe, ano kaya ito? Kailangan hindi masira. So, tandaan natin yung address. Malay mo, may padala pa ulit. Kailangan huwag natin sirain. Palaminit natin ito, Ate Lerma. Ingatan din natin. How to slow it down. Time does seem to fly, then it's hard to find it. Kunin natin ito kasi
I've grown tired of being stuck in a maze of space. It's all fake, yeah, yeah.
First time ko kasi mga kalingap na magkaroon ng ganito. Kaya balot ko ulit, nakakarton ko ulit. Hindi pa talaga yung ano, may paper bag pa talaga lagayan, oh. Grabe, ayos, no? Grabe, ayos to. Ay, thank you Ate Lerma Tanaka sa sapatos. Ito kay Kuya, ito kasi mahaba yung paa ni Kuya. Ayan. Size kaya ano nga 28. Kuya Bal ito. Ay grabe. Kay Kuya Bal ba ito? Size 10. Back to life. At ito, isama lang natin ito. Thank you so much kay ito. You know, from Evelyn Macmac from Singapore. Ay grabe, thank you so much Marge, Evelyn, sa sapatos. You know, Ay, grabe.
My best year.
Ito yung mga sinusuot nila ni Bustuyo, mga kalingap.
Say the
Bustuyo,
good old
pagwalas,
days.
mga uso ngayon.
Well, they
Grabe. Ay,
never
ganda.
last. I've been
No?
running into you
Kaya
in my
Telerma.
head.
Tapos
In
ito.
between what could have been. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Diba?
Everybody
Para tayo
seems to
ng
leave.
ano,
Bittersweet.
Telerma, thank you so much sa sapatos.
Time does seem to fly.
Ganyan po ako pag binibigyan ako.
Then it's hard to find it.
Marcy Belin,
You said
Thank you so
dine and
much.
dash, run and
Sa-
laugh, skinny dip
Oh,
off a
grabe,
ship. Oh, oh, not a
Ganda.
worry for a million miles. Driving off, be right back. Oh, oh, 'cause maybe after all of this time,
thank
we'd
you so
meet
much, March.
again with time to
Ulitin.
spend. Even after all this time, would you be
Telerma, thank you,
mine?
Telerma.
'Cause I drop it all just to get you.
Sa mga magbibigay pa lang, maraming salamat. Tumatanggap na po tayo nga. Dati hindi man ako tumanggap nito eh. Kasi sayang din. Biyaya ito mga kalingap. Kaya tanggapin natin. Yan pa ang bilhin ko, diba? Yung meron namang nagbigay. Kaya thank you so much. Sa puso po ako nagpapasalamat sa inyong tiwala at pag-support.